sounded like.
That would be fun. Please, come on. Please, yeah.
Everybody wants to hear it, right?
Yeah. I do.
Wow, that's plumb pitiful. I can make more racket than that all by myself. But let's do that one more time. Everybody wants to hear it, right?
Yeah.
There you go. We used to go pile the brush for our grandpa whenever he would go to cut our firewood. And he had an old home light chainsaw that didn't even start most of the time. So this is what I remember his chainsaw sounding like. Okay, now sometimes we have to let it idle. Let it idle. Shut her down.